This is a final video to fix FIFA 15 freezing of the language select screen on your Steam Deck. And if you've been stuck here, you know how frustrating it feels. Many players face this issue because the game's old files don't fully communicate with modern Steam Deck Proton layers, causing it to freeze before you can even start playing, and most guides online are long, confusing, and require extra software that makes it worse. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that fixes it in seconds by adjusting Proton compatibility settings and forcing a launch parameter that skips the freeze without touching any game files. And if you want, comment below and I'll make a step-by-step tutorial to get FIFA 15 running perfectly on your Steam Deck.